Everyone, I'm Larry Levin, President of Trading Advantage, and welcome to our next YouTube video. And today what I'm going to do is show you a clip. I was on CNBC yesterday on Wednesday the 17th. I was actually on again today, Thursday the 18th, but the clip I'm going to show you is from yesterday. Joe Kernan, who's one of the anchor people on Squawk Box, the show that's on from 5 a.m. to 8 a.m. Chicago time, Central Standard Time. I've been interviewed by this guy, I don't know, probably maybe 100 times now. I've been on TV for going on 5 years and have been on CNBC for all of that time. I've been interviewed on these shows quite a bit. For whatever reason, Joe Kernan still does not seem to like me. I don't know if he doesn't like me personally or if he just doesn't like traders. In fact, there's a rumor on the floor that that's really what it is. He just doesn't like traders here in Chicago. I don't know if that's true or not, but let's watch the clip and check it out.
Right. Larry Levin, are we going to leave 11:50 in the rearview mirror now? Nothing here that means we're not, I guess, right?
Yeah, absolutely, Joe. We already traded up to 11:60 in the futures overnight. I think 1200 is within maybe 2 weeks away. Certainly sometime in April we'll trade 1200. I wouldn't be surprised at all. Even if we pull back. What's that?
I need 1250.
We could be at 1250 by the end of April, Joe.
Oh, that's I lose then, right, Carl? Can we do the year in thirds instead of quarters?
Sure, I will give you that.
All right, but you figure in 2 weeks, though, we could be up another. We could be somewhere around 1200, Larry.
Absolutely. Any piece of bad news over the last 6 to 8 weeks or so has just been a buying opportunity. I don't see why that won't continue. You know how I feel about it, Joe. It's propping up by the government, but whatever it is, it's driving this market higher. 1250, 6 to 8 weeks away. I wouldn't be surprised at all if we're talking about 1300.
Propping up. We don't really need to prop it up. Like, we just need to reflate, and then all assets go up.
Okay. Well, then they got a lot of tools they're using. Whether you like them or not, whether Rick likes them or not, whether Steve likes them or not, doesn't really matter. The market is doing what it's doing. I play by where the trend is. That trend is higher. Any kind of piece of bad news, that Greece situation, anything at all that looks bad is a buying opportunity. I don't think that's going to stop anytime soon.
We've got nowhere in 10 years, and you still don't think it makes any sense, Larry. Are you sure?
That it makes any sense?
Yeah, we've got. You think it's held up by artificially, like there's an air pocket under a Dow at 10,000 when we've got nowhere in 10 years.
Didn't take us long to go down when all those banks needed to be bailed out, did it?
I know, but all the Nifty 50 bubble we had in 1999, all those companies have tripled their earnings and they're at the same price.
Yeah, I mean, the market moves away. The economy and these markets don't always connect. I mean, I think this today and where we are right now is a perfect example of that.
Well, we got a lot more right to be here now than we did 10 years ago.
Well, that may be true, but you got to admit, Joe, there's just a huge amount of problems out there that just really are not being addressed.
There always is.
That's true, but right now there's quite a few. Wouldn't take you long to list them.
I just decided to take that side for a couple minutes. I'm worried about how loose money is. I thought, a couple of days ago I was saying I'm gelling with Yellen. We can't let the good times roll.
You have no moral compass. It is St. Patrick's Day. That's something.
Well, now I'm worried that we were showing a 4-leaf clover for St. Patrick, and it clearly should be Shamrock because it was meant to be the Trinity, so we've messed that up and we're playing Scottish music, so we got a lot of problems today anyway. Guys, thanks Kevin, Larry, and Steve. Right? Take care.
And so you can see he kind of tries to maybe egg me on a little bit, which is fine. I don't mind. He's not the first or the last person to try and get under my skin a little bit. I don't really have a problem with that. But I guess my issue is that, I don't know if he's blind to all this, if he really doesn't see what's going on, but I think the rest of us do. The rest of us see the government propping things up and cash for clunkers and tax breaks for home buyers that artificially lower the price of homes. There's just an awful lot of things. Like I said, it wouldn't take you long to list all the issues or problems that we have out there. Pretty much, it's common knowledge to everybody out here, that's just even paying attention even a little bit. So, I don't know why he kind of gets off on, kind of giving me a hard time, but that's how it is. And live TV is kind of interesting. I like doing it. I hope you enjoy watching me, and I hope you enjoyed this clip. Thanks a lot for watching.